I'll be back shortly with some more updates. Once again, this is only for the staterooms on deck 11, and of course, previously I have announced the accessibility of the staterooms on deck 12. While you can now access to your staterooms, your stateroom attendants are still placing those finishing touches here and there. Thank you for your patience in this important matter. And of course, a reminder from our safety officer. According to SOLAS safety of flight at sea sectors, when Jan and Bar, the passenger safety agreement was given prior to sailing today. So we can ask all our guests to please check in at your assembly station at this time. You can find the letter of your assembly station at the bottom corner of your key card, and your crew available to assist and guide you if you have any questions. Now, the assembly stations on board beautiful Royal Star are located as follows. Station J, Juliet. If you want to start up theater, then 697 forward. Assembly Station K, Kilo. Located on that 6 mission in the last Gina Express. Assembly Station K. Assembly Station N, located on that 6 mission in the Aqua Restaurant. Assembly Station Bangkok, Mine, located on that 6 all the way back from the ship to the Versailles Restaurant. Assembly Station X, X-Ray, Y, Yankee, MC, Zulu, located on that 7th midship foresight, which means the left side of the ship. Assembly Station D, Delta, located on that 7th midship starboard side, which means the right side of the ship. And if you already watched the mandatory safety video, we still planning up to please check in at your side assembly station. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your cruise vacation. Once again, I'll be back shortly with more updates about the embarkation process.
Dito naman yung sa side, kabilang side tayo, nakapwesto. Yan. Ito yung barko natin, no? Yan. Malas na siya. Hindi masyadong tao dito kasi nasa kabila. Yan. Sa kabila maraming tao doon. Dito ito sa back, sa dulo kasi ito. Kanina doon tayo sa unahan, daming tao. Maganda din dito. Umpisa na lang mahangin. Yan yung Tampa, Florida, bay nila. So dito pumapasok yung cruise ship. Yan naman yung mga island na dito. Malakas na yung hangin. Tingnan natin sa taas natin. Tingnan ito. Ito yung barko natin, no? Norwegian Star. Ayan. So dito yung sa kabilang side. Ito yung makikita natin dito. Linis din na yung tubig nila. Hindi masyadong mabarko dito. Kaysa doon sa kabilang sa Miami, daming mga cruise ship doon. Kita natin. So, punta tayo dito sa kabila. Kunti lang mga pasahero dito. Nandoon kasi sa kabila. Namin na sa loob. Ito yung dulo ng barko. Pinaka dulo niya. Yung sa unahan kasi forward. Ito yung backward dito. Yung sunset dito sa may Atlantic Ocean. Ganda siya tingnan, no? Yan. Punta natin ang nakuha na pa natin. Buong buo yung pagka-sunset niya. Lakas lang yung hangin, pero tingnan natin sana walang hindi makuha yung hangin. Ganda pakakuha ng buong buo yung araw pa. Kasi sunny sky. So dito to sa Atlantic Ocean. Saka ito yung background dito. May Miami. Magaganda ito tingnan. Lakas lang yung hangin. Sunset. Buong yung sa may tubig. Tulay na nag sa clear water saka centimeter.
Is that bridge going to open?
No, it's just tall. You go under it.
Oh, is it small?
It's 175 feet tall.
Oh, wow.
That's what I'm going to get
Oh, is it? I think it's going to get open once we get there.
Right.
That's true.
No,
Dice que no
the
va
ship
a
will make it under. Give it all
and
time.
yeah, the ship is going to make it.
It'll make it. I see pictures.
Yeah.
I've been on that bridge. I've seen ships go under. So I know.
So, dadaan tayo dyan sa bridge.
Think that one of those coves is yeah, I think it's just that side. Yeah, it is. That's pretty. You haven't seen any pictures? Cruise?
Malapit na tayo. Bridge na yan. Sabi na yung mga sasakyan dyan. Malapit na tayo. Sasakyan dyan.
You can always delete them.
Tayo.
Yeah.
Malapit na tayo.
Defense.
Ayan o.
Yeah, see that?
Dala tayo.
You have to find the fence. I noticed that.
Wow. Daan tayo. Wow. Parang street food.
Wow, that was awesome.
Tuwang-tuwa yung mga tao dito. Tuwang-tuwa nila.
That's crazy. Me too.
Ito yung tulay na dito. Ito yung tulay. Natin.
Oh, and this.
Sa kabila. Daan natin sa kabila. Kita natin doon.
So that was the thrill for the afternoon. Yeah, dolphins were out there.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Free shot. Free shot. Sometimes you gotta.
Ito yung kabila. Ito na yung kabila na ito yung tulay na kuha natin. Nalampasan natin. Ito yung mga tao pag nalampasan. Ito yung tulay na natutong ng clear water to St. Peter's. Yan. Napakaganda. Yan. So kuha natin yung pagkalampas ng barko. Ito yung nagdugtong ng Clearwater to St. Petersburg, Florida. Hanggang tulay na yan. Okay, ito yung barko natin.
My brother did different bars. I don't think he said that.
Ayan, kuha natin. Walang putol. Dire-diretso. Okay, ayan lang. Ito yung pier. Palabas na yung barko.
I bet that was built during COVID.
Very nice.
Also, it looks like there's some sort of mine in Israel. Oh, that's just where they got all this limestone
Dominican Republic.
buildings.
May mga beaches na din sila.
But I guarantee you, I mean, look at all that excavation, all of that, where they got this.
Sa kabila.
I didn't realize that.
Do you know there was 2 jacuzzis?
This was fast. Yeah.
may nag-beach pala dyan. Oh. Beach pala dyan. Yan, may naliligo din dyan. Yan. So, malapit na tayo mag-dock. Daming nanonood sa atin. So, malapit na tayo. May paglayang Royal Caribbean dito. Brilliance of the Sea. Ayan. Brilliance of the Sea. Ayan siya, nakawan na sa atin. Mga makukulay ng mga bahay dito. Diyan may mag-beach dyan, no? Mambo Beach siguro yan. Naligo naman tayo mamaya. Beach dyan. Ayan. Ganda. Dito lang. Malapit na siya. Ito na yung malapit na magtapos. Yan ang nasa atin. Brilliance of the Sea.
Hurry.
Tapos siya. Ayan. Antay tayo mamaya. Labas tayo. So I guess we have 2 cruise ships docked already. This is the 3rd ship. So, may isa pa doon. Cruise ship. So, ito. May nauna sa atin. Brilliance of the Sea. Ito yung isa cruise ship. At saka may isa pa doon sa kabila. Cruise ship. Okay. So, hindi pa tayo nakadock. Okay. Kiss. Ganda naman dito. So dumating na tayo dito sa Curaçao ngayon lang. So may 3 cruise ship ngayon dito. Andyan yung isa, andyan nakatago. Ito yung pangalawa, mahangin, masyado mahangin. Sige, okay lang. Saka ito yung sa amin, oh. So ito yung pangatlong cruise ship na nandito. Tapos may kuwan pa dyan. So ito na yung Curaçao. Ayan. Tsaka ito yung city nila. Ayan, o. So, andyan na. Ito yung parang Amsterdam style na okay. Ito yung Curaçao kapag gabi. So maganda din yung mga lights nila dito. Yan. Maganda din siya kasi under siya sa Dutch government, Amsterdam. So yung mga tao dito dalawa ang nationality. So they have Curaçao and then Dutch. So at saka yung population nila is only more than 100,000, like 115,000 legally. This is what the tourist guide said. So kunti lang sila dito. So napakaganda kasi yung government nila, tinutulungan sila sa Amsterdam or Dutch government. Sabi pa ng tourist guide, kapag mag-aral ka ng college, kapag makuha mo lang ng 4 years, wala ka nang bayaran. Trabaho ka rin ng 4 years sa government, wala ka nang bayaran sa tuition fee. Yan. Kanina nakalabas tayo, so nakita natin yung area ng Curaçao. Hindi siya masyado malaki. Maikot mo lang ng mga maybe the whole day, maikot mo na siya. So konti lang ito na island. Ito naman yung gabi kasi mamaya pa tayo mag aalis mga 8:30. So mga 30 minutes or 45 minutes from now, alis na ito. Yeah. So napakaganda. Ito yung kulay ng kanilang city paggabi. Marami pang mga kwan dyan. Marami pang pasahero na darating para mag check in, para aalis na yun. 8:30 aalis na itong barko na to. Ito yung may mga beaches diyan, maganda paggabi. Yan. May mga tourist diyan, pero napakalaking contribution ng cruise ships kasi tatlo yung cruise ships at halos aalis ng gabi. Walang overnight stay yung cruise ship dito. Day trip lang, tsaka alis na ng gabi. Bukas na naman darating tayo sa Aruba. Ayan. Napakaganda dito. Tsaka medyo mahal siya kaysa compared to Dominican Republic, pero maganda naman yung serbisyo nila dito. Tsaka maganda yung mas mayaman sila dito kaysa Dominican Republic. Maraming mga tourist spot din dito, maraming flights din dito. Ang problema lang ngayon kasi malapit sila sa Venezuela. Makikita mo mga 120 kilometers, makita mo yung boundary nila sa Venezuela. Ayan. Pero napakaganda, maganda ang climate. Mainit siya, 80 Fahrenheit. Itim din pag babad ka sa harap, pero maganda yung lugar nila. Ayan. Alis tayo mamaya mga 8:30.
Yes, check. And all together, we were your entertainment team for the day. Feel free to make some noise. Yes, great friends. So I know you soon say love. We want to leave you off with a song from the man.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So from the late but will ever be great Bob Marley, we also want to leave you with this one love. If you have your Jamaican color, your Jamaican flag, wave it high right now. Hey, if you know the lyrics as well, sing along with me. Come on! One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let them all pass all there. Dirty remarks on love. There is one question I really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just to save his own, believe me, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. New Vision, sing with me. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. We say, let's get together and feel alright. Come back to Jamaica and drink Red Stripe. Thank you, I've been practicing. Yeah, my great friends, we want to say thank you guys again. But before you go, we just like to ask a request. So for the hard-working staff of Norwegian Star, they took care of you on your way to Jamaica, and I know they're gonna take care of you on your way out. So when I say make some noise for the hard-working staff, I would like for you to just show them some love and show them that appreciation. So let's try that. Great friends of Norwegian Star, make some noise for the hard-working staff. Yeah, man, I love that energy. I want to make it nice and loud. Make it nice and even louder for your captain that brought you here safely and is going to carry you out onto your next destination. Make some noise for your captain! Yeah, man. Yes, great friends. So I just want to say thank you guys again. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to come to this sweet island, Jamaica. So as we say here in Jamaica, live good, love good, and walk good. But in your situation, same good.
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I say so long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.
It's been great to play it together at the port.
And now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.
Goodbye for now, until we meet again.
You're watching watching.
Alright. Ito yung nila. Flag nila. Yan. Jamaica. Palm of Jamaica. Tapos na yung palabas nila. So, paalis na tayo. So, ito yung city ng Palmouth. Paalis na yung barko. Layo na tayo. Saka ito yung lugar nila dito. So, paalis na tayo. Paalis na yung barko. So ito yung Palmouth. One more time. Napidyohan natin. Yan. Nalis na pala yung bag nila dito. Ito yung pinaka-port nila, Palmouth. So, palayo na tayo. So, ito yung dito. Punta na tayo sa kabila. So, dito na tayo sa Cayman Island. Ito yung Cayman Island, oh. Daming mga turista dito. Marami ding cruise ships. Yeah. Ito yung Cayman Island. Sorry. Yun ang problema.
A very good morning, Norwegian family. This is Jess, your cruise director here. Once again, I know we were really looking forward to our visit today in Cayman Islands. However, due to high swells and unsafe conditions at the pier, it is not possible for us to safely operate our tenders and bring any guest ashore, as safety is always our priority for our guests and crew. So we are now going to be continuing our voyage towards Tambo. Now here is the good news. I am now putting together some extra fun activities for a fantastic day at sea just for you. From extra games to live music to poolside fun and extra special activities, we're going to make sure today is jam-packed full of fun, relaxation and surprises. Now, I know this is not what we always expected, but I do promise we are going to do everything we can do today to make this one of your highlights of the cruise. So head on up for breakfast, grab a drink or just find a comfortable spot and get ready for an awesome day on board. Once again, I do apologize for any inconvenience, but once again, your safety is our top priority. Have an incredible day at sea, and I'll be back to let you know all of the fun activities we've got planned.
Ito yung Cayman Island. So, announced hindi pwede pa baba yung mga pasahero kasi hindi daw safe yung shore. Ano. Apat na barko. Mga apat ito pa natin. Kaso hindi na pwede. Ayan. So ito na yung Cayman Island. Malaki din siya pero kaso tayo hindi pa pa. May cruise ship doon. Cruise ship din dito. Carnival.
Probably also the tenders, like the drivers of the tenders. They're going to be local tenders.
So ito na yung Cayman Island. Maganda sana kaso hindi daw safe maka-tender yung mga barko. Kaya hindi tayo pinayagang bumaba dito. So dito lang tayo sa barko. Kaya ito kunan na lang natin ang video. Yan o. Ito yung Cayman Island na napakaganda sana. Kaso hindi tayo makababa dito. Ayan. Diyan lang tayo ha. Dito lang tayo. Ayan. Sayang naman. Ayan. Ganda sana nakalabas tayo. Ito yung Cayman Island. Sana bumaba tayo dito para mag-excursion. Pero hindi tayo pinayagan magpapumaba. Kaya dito na lang tayo sa malayo. So ito tayo sa barko. Dami namang barko dito. 1, 2, 3, 4 na barko sana. Kaso hindi pinayagan yung mag-tender. Kaya dito na lang tayo sa barko. Video. Yan. Ganda sana. Ganda pa naman yung excursion natin. Yan. Kaso hindi tayo pinayagang mag-tender, kaya umalis na yung barko natin pabalik ng Tampa. Pero nakakuha tayo ng mga magagandang videos malayo lang sa shore, hindi tayo pinayagan. Mas maganda sana kung naka-apak tayo sa tuwa ng Cayman, kaso hindi allowed. Sa susunod na lang siguro na excursion, sana pinayagan na lang sana ng iba doon pumunta para napunta tayo sa ibang lugar. Kaso ayun na, wala na sa itinerary, kaya malis na yung barko. Kaya kita natin na palayo na tayo dito sa Cayman Island. Ayun. Sayang din, pero ganun talaga pag mag-travel ka, unexpected things happen. Kaya mahaba naman dito mga barko, pero hindi tayo pinayagan. Ayan, ilang ganun talaga hanggang sa susunod na naman na biyahe. Kita mo yung talaga. Sana. Next time na lang.
Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will too.
Flipper. Oh yeah, baby ones.
Yeah, there are more.
Oh, there you go. Babies. Oh, there are many.
There you go.
Oh, wow. Look, there you go.
Ganska långt bort ut för stallbågarna.
Tiny.
Look tiny from here. Dolphins out here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, dolphin.
Tuloy ako nakakapasok, ito eh.